Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tech reviews. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the EF Go Ahead Tours booking platform. Here at Rome Tech, we're diving into the EF Go Ahead Tours booking platform. This platform caters to individuals who prefer the convenience and camaraderie of guided group travel. If you're looking to explore the globe without the headaches of planning and enjoy connecting with fellow travelers, then EF Go Ahead Tours might be just what you're searching for. You can find direct links to the platform in the description below. EF Go Ahead Tours specializes in curated group itineraries, perfect for those who value structured exploration combined with social interaction. They cater to a wide range of age groups and experience levels, welcoming both seasoned globetrotters and those embarking on their first international adventure. The platform itself is incredibly user-friendly, allowing you to easily navigate through a diverse selection of destinations, from iconic European capitals to remote and exotic locales. One of the key strengths of EF Go Ahead Tours is their emphasis on creating immersive cultural experiences. Each tour is meticulously designed to showcase authentic local activities, providing opportunities to engage with the destination's unique customs and traditions. They even offer access to exclusive events, adding an extra layer of depth to your journey. EF Go Ahead Tours offers a comprehensive range of trip durations, from shorter getaways to extended explorations, and varying levels of activity to suit every preference. Whether you're envisioning a relaxing sightseeing tour or a more active, adventurous trek, you're sure to find an itinerary that aligns with your travel style. A standout feature of EF Go Ahead Tours is the inclusion of expert local tour directors who accompany each group throughout their journey. These knowledgeable guides provide invaluable insights into the history, culture, and nuances of each destination, ensuring a richer and more meaningful travel experience. This personalized guidance, coupled with the convenience of group travel, alleviates the stress of logistical planning, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the journey. Furthermore, EF Go Ahead Tours offers a degree of flexibility and customization. You can select tours based on specific interests, such as culinary experiences, historical explorations, or nature-focused adventures. The platform also provides transparent pricing, encompassing accommodations, meals, transportation, and activities, enabling you to budget effectively and avoid any unexpected expenses. In summary, the EF Go Ahead Tours booking platform presents a comprehensive and well-structured resource for travelers seeking a hassle-free and enriching experience. Whether you're embarking on a solo adventure or traveling with a group, this platform offers expertly crafted tours with a strong emphasis on cultural immersion and community building. So, if you're ready to explore the world with ease and connect with fellow adventurers, be sure to check out the links in the description to start planning your next trip with EF Go Ahead Tours.